SN1 mechanism. What is SN1 mechanism? And already yesterday we have seen that SN2 mechanism already we have seen. So once again, I will recapitulate that SN2 mechanism. And next we are going to see that SN1 mechanism also we are going to see that. Let us see that. So SN2 is nothing but already we have seen yesterday, right? SN2 is nothing but bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction is called SN2 reaction, we call, right? Already yesterday we have seen that. So bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction is called SN2 reaction, right? So this SN2 reaction, which compounds are here very fastly, highly reactive in nature means it is very fastly for primary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides are very faster for, highly reactive for SN2 reaction. SN2 reaction, primary alkyl halides are very fastly it will be undergoing this takes place compared to secondary alkyl halides and compared to tertiary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halides will be very highly reacting this takes place, right? So let us see that. Already yesterday we have seen that SN2 reaction. So primary alkyl halide will be undergoing this takes place, and SN2 reaction only single step reaction only takes place. There is no two-step reaction. And always what happen inversion configuration it will be forming this takes place. And always this SN2 reaction will be right. Always this SN2 reaction and what happen primary alkyl halide. Primary alkyl halide only it will be undergoing this takes place. So that already yesterday we have seen that. So next one now we are going to see that. Look at here. So generally what is order for chemical reactivity? So the nucleophile attacking groups and all which compounds will be very fastly it will be undergoing this takes place. So now primary alkyl halide is a secondary alkyl halide is there, tertiary alkyl halide will be there. So which compounds, that means which groups, which type of alkyl halides are very fastly it will be undergoing this takes place for nucleophile attacking means primary alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing for nucleophile attacking nature compared to secondary alkyl halide compared to tertiary alkyl halide. So how we are saying mean just look at here. So for example, if you are taken here primary alkyl halide you are taken. So first what they taken methyl halide is taken. Look at here. Methyl halide. So this methyl halide is nothing but totally how many hydrogen atoms are there? Mean 3 hydrogen atoms is attaching there, and 1 halide ion will be binding this takes place. Here any bulky groups are present or not? Bulky groups is nothing but heavier mass containing groups or any compounds will be attaching means there is no other bulky groups is attaching there. So bulky is nothing but heavier groups. So this carbon atom, any heavier group is attaching is takes place or not means there is no bulky groups is attaching is takes place. So bulky groups is nothing but what groups commonly we are calling either methyl group or else here ethyl group like this. So alkyl groups. So alkyl groups here any carbon atom is attaching or not means there is no other alkyl groups is attaching is takes place. So simply what groups are attaching is takes place means just only here hydrogen atoms only here attaching is takes place. So this case, if you are reactive with any one of the nucleophile means here carbon atom there is no bulky group is takes place, attaching is takes place. So this nucleophile attacking and what happened mean very fastly it will be undergoing this takes place. Very fastly that nucleophile will be attacking is takes place like this manner. If for example bulky groups are presenting there, bulky groups are attaching on the carbon atom, what will happen? So the nucleophile attacking nature and all what happen means slowly it will be decreasing is takes place. If the number of bulky groups are increasing means automatically the reactive nature and all what happen means decreasing is takes place. The chemical reactivity of nucleophile attacking to the carbon atom will be slowly decreasing is takes place. So that means now primary alkyl halides is there, secondary alkyl halides is there, tertiary alkyl halides is there. So what is the increasing nucleophile attacking capacity which alkyl halide will be very fastly undergoing means primary alkyl halides will be very fastly it will be reacting is takes place compared to secondary alkyl halide and compared to tertiary alkyl halides. So why we are writing like this order means, so because here primary alkyl halides is nothing but how many other carbon atoms is attaching here carbon. So just look at here. So one carbon or halogen, remaining what happened or alkyl group is presenting there. So this is what you call me primary alkyl halide. If you take in another compound like this, CH3, 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 H. So this is what you call means a primary alkyl halide. So this is what is a secondary alkyl halide. So here secondary alkyl halide, how many bulky groups are presenting? Bulky groups is nothing but either methyl group or ethyl group is attaching to the carbon means that groups are called as your bulky groups like that we are calling there, right? So now here how many bulky groups are attaching to this secondary alkyl halide means two bulky groups are presenting this takes place. So bulky groups are more will be presenting means steric hindrance and what happening more will be presenting there, right? So steric hindrance and what happen, it is very difficult to attacking this takes place to the carbon atom. So this coming nucleophile and what happen, very difficult to attacking this takes place on this carbon atom. But if you are taken here primary alkyl halide we are taken. So only bulky groups are what happen, only one methyl group is there. So compared to secondary alkyl halide, so primary alkyl halides are what happen very fastly it will be nucleophile will be binding is takes place with the central atom, right? So for example, if you are taken tertiary alkyl halide we are taken. Tertiary alkyl halides is nothing but there are three methyl groups is attaching is takes place. Is there any possibility to attacking that nucleophile to the carbon atom means? So there is no way to attacking this takes place. Very highly difficult to attacking this takes place on this carbon atom, right? So why means the number of bulky groups are increasing means steric hindrance will be more will be presenting there. Steric hindrance is nothing but repulsive forces will be more will be presenting there. So that's why what happen means that case nucleophile and all very difficult to attacking is takes place on the carbon atom, right? So that's why what happen means primary alkyl halides are very fastly it will be undergoing for chemical reactions compared to secondary alkyl halides and compared to tertiary alkyl halides. So that's why basing on that the stability order how they represented means. So that's why that stability order how they represented means. So primary alkyl halides are here greater, more reactivity is takes place compared to secondary alkyl halides and compared to tertiary alkyl halides, right? So this is the order, stability order already given. Stability order is nothing but reacting nature. So which compounds are here very fastly it will be undergoing means primary alkyl halides will be very fastly it will be undergoing. This is the order, just all of you see there once. A reactivity order. So reactivity order for this alkyl halides. How we are writing means. So this is the order for SN2 mechanism that also you have to keep in mind. Keep in mind. So SN2 mechanism, what is the reactivity order means? Primary alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing for SN2 reaction. Then secondary alkyl halide, then tertiary alkyl halide. So that word you have to keep in mind. So SN2 mechanism, what is the alkyl halides reactivity order means? Primary alkyl halides will be very fastly, it will undergoing when compared to secondary alkyl halide and when compared to tertiary alkyl halides. So this is a stability order. So stability order of your reactivity nature of your SN2 mechanism. So this is about your alkyl halides reactivity nature. Just diagram see there once here. Already I told you just now only. For example, if you are taken methyl halide, you are taken. Methyl halide, if you are taken, means any other bulky groups are attaching or not means there is no bulky group is presenting there. So that means there is no steric hindrances that are presenting on this methyl halide because all are containing here single hydrogen atoms only presenting there. So there is no steric hindrances presenting in that methyl halide. So the nucleophile and what happen very fastly it will be attacking is takes place on this carbon atom. If you taken here primary alkyl halide, we are taken like this manner. Primary alkyl halide we are taken. So primary alkyl halide you are taken means what happen? One methyl group is attaching is takes place here. So one methyl group and two hydrogen atoms is attaching is takes place. So compared to CH3 group, methyl group, here primary alkyl halides are what happen means somewhat steric hindrance will be presenting there. Why means due to because of here one methyl group is attaching on the carbon atom. So if you are taking a secondary alkyl halide, you are taken how many methyl groups are attacking means two methyl groups is attaching is takes place. Therefore, the nucleophile attacking nature under what happen means slightly here decreasing is takes place. So nucleophile attacking nature what happen? Slowly what happen? It will be decreasing is takes place compared to primary alkyl halide. Next, if you're taking a tertiary alkyl halide, we are taken. So how many groups are attaching alkyl groups means here totally 3 alkyl groups are attaching is takes place. Totally 3 alkyl groups are attaching is takes place. So therefore what happen means, so the number of alkyl halides are increasing means the repulsive forces we can say that or else a steric hindrance under what happen means increasing is takes place. So due to because of increasing of this steric hindrance, so nucleophile attacking nature what happen means slowly it will be decreasing is takes place. So therefore finally what you are going to concluding means in SN2 reaction which alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing means primary alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing for the chemical reactions compared to secondary alkyl halide and compared to tertiary alkyl halides. So that is a stability order, reactivity order we are going to expressing like that.
Sir,
Yes, ma.
sir, K. Sanjay is waiting in lobby, sir. He can't enter the class now, sir.
Okay. I will see.
Yes, sir.
Right. So this is keep in mind. So SN2 reaction, what is the order of reactivity nature means? Which compounds are very fastly reacting is takes place means. So this is the order. So primary alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing for SN2 reaction when compared to secondary alkyl halide and when compared to tertiary alkyl halides. So this is for SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism. So totally 5 points I told you. 5 points I told you in that SN2 mechanism. What are the points is there means? So SN2 reaction is once again just a recapture. I will recapture it just see there. SN2 mechanism or SN2 reaction. So SN2 reaction which compounds are very fastly it will undergoing means primary alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing this takes place. That is first point. Next one is SN2 reaction is always the rate of reaction is depends on two components. One is substrate. Substrate is nothing but reactant plus nucleophile. So the rate of reaction is depends on two components. One is reactant, another one is nucleophile is depending is takes place. And next one. Always SN2 reactions are what happen means single step reactions are takes place. Single step reactions we call as. So SN2 mechanism always it will form single step reactions only. And next fourth point. So SN2 reaction always what happen means inversion configurations will be forming there. Inversion configurations they will exhibit. Configuration it will exhibiting this takes place. And last point what you are saying means what is a stability order for SN2 reaction means. So primary alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing when compared to secondary alkyl halide, when compared to tertiary alkyl halides, right? So SN2 mechanism, you have to write these 5 points you are going to writing there if they're asking like this means. So stability order especially very, very important. Primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. The stability order will be very, very important, right? Next one, see there. So this is about your SN2 reactions we call as, right? Next one, see there. SN1 reaction. So SN1 is nothing but what you call means SN1. SN1. So S stands for substitution. S stands for substitution. Substitution. S stands for substitution. N stands for nucleophile. Nucleophile. And 1 stands for unimolecular. 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 So therefore, overall SN1 reaction means how we are pronouncing means unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. Unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction is called SN1 reaction. So this SN1 reaction, which compounds will be very fastly it will undergoing means tertiary alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing this takes place. So tertiary alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing for SN1 mechanism. So what are the points we are seeing in that SN2 reaction? Same oppositely will be presenting there, right? SN1 reaction, what are the points we are seeing that completely oppositely will be there. So just see there already I told you that SN2 reaction and SN1 reaction like that. Difference is just see there. So nearly same point oppositely will be there. So SN2 reaction, which compounds are very fastly it will undergoing means primary alkyl halides. Primary alkyl halide will be very fastly it will undergoing. But if you are taken here SN1 mechanism means tertiary alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing. Second point, see there. SN2 reaction, how many steps the reaction is takes place means single step. Single step only the reactions are takes place. But SN1 reaction, how many steps are takes place mean 2-step reaction we call as. 2 steps the reaction is takes place. Next third point. Any intermediate compound is forming or not during this SN2 mechanism means no intermediate compound is forming. No intermediate. No intermediate. No intermediate is forming there. But if you taken here SN1 mechanism means always it will form intermediate compound is forming there. Always intermediate compound is forming there. Next, fourth point. So what is the stability order? What is the stability order for this SN1 and SN2 reaction means? Primary alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing when compared to secondary alkyl halide, when compared to tertiary alkyl halides. So this is the stability order. Next here, if you are taken here SN1 mechanism means which one will be very fastly it will undergoing this takes place means tertiary alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing when compared to secondary alkyl halide, when compared to primary alkyl halide. Here SN2 mechanism what happen means inversion configuration will be forming there. Inversion configuration will be forming there. But SN2 reaction, what happened means, so both sides, the reactions are, there is no inversion configuration is exhibiting there. Inversion configuration form agad. So that means overall what happened, SN2 reaction and SN1 reaction, what happened means, completely opposite reactions are takes place. Right? இது primary நடத்துனா அது tertiary நடக்கும். இதுல single step இருக்கலாமா, அதுல single step எதுவுமே இருக்காது. Intermediate இதுல form ஆகும், அதுல form ஆகாது. Order எப்படி இருக்கும்னா primary alkyl halide very faster. ஆனா அதுல tertiary alkyl halide will be very faster like that. So that means completely what happened, oppositely the reactions will be takes place. That is SN1 and SN2 reactions. So let us see that these points only how to keep remember SN2 reaction and SN1 reaction differences. These points and all keep in mind. It is easy for you to understanding that concept, right? So these two differences only how to keep in mind. Next one, see there. So just now I told you that SN1 mechanism is nothing but unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. So that means the rate of reaction is only depends on concentration of the reactants. Concentration of the reactants only it is depending this takes place. Right. The rate of reaction, what happen only it is depends on concentration of the reactant only. Only one reactant concentration only it is depending this takes place. So that's why we call as SN1. SN1. The rate of reaction is only depends on concentration of one reactant concentration only depending is takes place. One reactant concentration only depending is takes place. That's why we call as SN1 reaction. One reactant concentration only the rate of reaction will be depending is takes place. That's why we call as SN1 mechanism. So next one, see there SN2 mechanism. SN2 is nothing but already yesterday we have seen that the rate of reaction is depends on two components is depending is takes place. So that's why we call as your bimolecular. So what are the components the rate of reaction is depending means? One is called reactant concentration is depending there. One is called reactant concentration and another one is called nucleophile concentration here depending this takes place. Nucleophile. Right. So that's why we call as here bimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction. So the two words only hard to keep in mind. Bimolecular nucleophilic substitution and unimolecular nucleophilic substitution. So one stands for unimolecular. So unimolecular is nothing but single. The rate of reaction only depends on one reactant concentration only. So but here 2 is nothing but 2. The rate of reaction is depends on two reactant concentrations. One is nucleophile concentration is depending and another one is reactant concentration also depending this takes place. So there is a major differences SN1 and SN2. Only one reactant concentration only depending mean that is called SN1. If reactant concentration as well as product nucleophile concentration is depending means that reactions are called as SN2 reaction. Let us see that. So already I told you that these points only just see there once. The rate of reaction depends upon the concentration of only one reactant. One reactant concentration depending this takes place. That's why we call as SN1 mechanism. So this SN1 mechanism, which compounds are very fastly it will undergoing means tertiary alkyl halides. Tertiary alkyl halides will be very fastly it will be undergoing this takes place. So the tertiary alkyl halide overall reaction, how we are writing mean this is the overall equation you are going to expressing like that. So tertiary alkyl bromide you are react with the nucleophile means it will form 2-methyl propane 2-ol plus bromide ion will be left at. That is overall reaction. So that overall reaction, how it will be forming mean there are two steps will be involving is takes place. Step 1 and step 2. So here step 1, what you are saying mean this is step 1. First step what happened mean this is the first step. Second step what happened mean this is the second step point. So first step always what happen means carbocation will be forming there. So tertiary alkyl halide while react with a nucleophile means while react with the nucleophile means first it will forms a nucleophile and all it will be removing is takes place. So nucleophile after removing what happen means carbocation will be forming there. Let us see there. I will show you how these reactions are takes place. Just see there. Step 1. Tertiary alkyl halide we are taking there. Tertiary alkyl halide is nothing but there are 3 methyl groups is attaching this takes place. 3 methyl groups is attaching is takes place. This is tertiary alkyl bromide. So this tertiary alkyl bromide and all what happen means first it will be undergoing for reversible reactions. Reversible reactions is nothing but so this reaction and all easily it will be bond cleavage will be takes place as well as that bromide ion easily it will be attacking also takes place on this carbon. So therefore what happen means first of all this bromide ion what happen cleavage is takes place. The bond is cleaving is takes place between chlorine and bromine. Chlorine and carbon and bromine bond and all what happen easily it will be cleavages takes place. So after easily cleavaging of this bond, what ion is forming mean carbocation will be forming there. Carbocation is nothing but looking like this. Carbon is attaching here, positive charge is forming there. Carbocation. Plus what will be left at means Br minus will be left in this takes place. Bromide ion will be eliminated. So this is what happens step 1. First step what happen is formation of carbocation will be takes place. This is called carbocation. Carbocation like that we are calling there. So first step what happen carbocation will be forming there. While removing one of the nucleophile, one of the bromide ion is left at means. So it will form a carbocation will be forming. Next one see there. Step 2. Step 2 what will happen? Just see there. Step 2. Here forming carbocation what happen means while attacking this nucleophile attacking is takes place. How this nucleophile will be attacking means just see there. I'm taking here carbocation, I'm taking that CH3, CH3, CH3 plus will be there. Carbocation is taken. So this carbocation while react with the nucleophile if you are treated means so this nucleophile will be attacking is takes place in 2 ways. It will be reacting is takes place. So what are the ways it will be reacting is takes place means it will be attacking is takes place on this forward direction will be attacking is takes place, and another one is called backward direction. Also, this nucleophile will be attacking is takes place. That means attacking of nucleophile what happen means 2 ways it will be attacking is takes place. Either forward direction is attacking is takes place or else backward direction also attacking is takes place. So therefore product how you are writing means you are expressing like this manner CH3, CH3, CH3 nucleophile. That means forward direction if it is attacking means looking like this compound will be forming there. If it is your backward direction is attacking me, nucleophile you are writing here, oppositely we are writing there. CH3 place you are going to expressing there. So this is what you are saying means SN1 reaction. So unimolecular nucleophilic substitution reaction is carries in 2 steps the reaction is takes place. Step 1 what happening formation of carbocation is takes place. Step 2 what happen means attacking of the nucleophile. Attacking of the nucleophile is takes place. So finally what happen means so nucleophile will be attacking on this tertiary alkyl halide will be takes place. So therefore, finally, what you are concluding means here SN1 reaction is especially undergoing very fastly. It will undergoing for tertiary alkyl halides. Tertiary alkyl halides are very fastly. This SN1 mechanism will be takes place. There are totally two steps the reaction will be takes place. Step one, what happen means formation of carbocation will be takes place. Step two, what happen means nucleophile will be attacking on this carbocation. So this is called as SN1 mechanism we call as. Understood everyone? Able to get my
Sir,
point what I'm explaining? Yes ma.
sir, bromide is one of nucleophile, sir.
Edma?
Bromine.
Bromine is also nucleophile only.
Yes, sir.
Nucleophile only. But when it is attacking is takes place means you are taking nucleophile is more energy will be must be need. If for example attacking nucleophile is same energy is there and newly coming nucleophile also same energy will be there, mean there is no replacement is takes place. Substitution is does not happening. Substitution when it is happening means one is less energy is presented nucleophile will be present. Another nucleophile is having more energy will be presenting there. So, for example, two persons are there. Two persons, so one person is what happens, somewhat energy will be higher is present. Another person is what happens, somewhat loose energy is presenting there. So that means higher energy person, what happen easily is occupying here. Less energy containing person, place under what happen easily occupying this takes place. Right. Same like that. Substitution is another replacement. Replacement, how it is happening? Higher energy person easily occupying lower energy person position. Right. So that is called as substitution, like that we are calling that. So that's why what happened here, taking nucleophile, two nucleophiles also what happened means, one is having always having lesser energy is presenting there. And another nucleophile is having more energy will be presenting there. If, for example, already here attacking nucleophile is more energy is presenting, for example, here bromine is having more energy is presenting there. For example, nucleophile and what happened here, lesser energy is presenting there. So whether the reaction is happening, replacement, whether it is happening or not means that it is not happening there. Because here attacking nucleophile and what happened, less energy is there. But already existing nucleophile what happened, more energy is there. So there is no replacement of nucleophile is takes place. So that case there is no reaction will be happening is takes place. So always the attacking nucleophile must be having more energy must be presenting there. Then only it will be reactions will be takes place. Right. I think clear.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Right. So just now only I told you that order of the reactivity nature also I told you. SN1 reaction can order, SN2 reaction can order like that. So SN2 reaction which alkyl halides are very faster. SN2 reaction which alkyl halides are very faster.
Tertiary.
Oi.
Primary.
SN2 reaction ke. Primary alkyl halides are very fastly reacting is takes place compared to secondary alkyl halide, compared to tertiary alkyl halide. SN1 reaction which alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing means tertiary alkyl halides are very faster, then secondary alkyl halide, then primary alkyl halide. So this stability order you have to keep in mind. Why we are saying in next we are going to seeing that examples are there. Example questions we are going to seeing by using this only order only. This mind lo ichko. SN2. SN2 lo edu first varudana primary alkyl halide. Next secondary, next tertiary. SN1 and கேட்டனா நமக்கு எது மைண்ட்ல இருக்கலாம் கேட்டனா tertiary alkyl halide very faster, then secondary alkyl halide, then primary alkyl halide, like that you have to keep in mind. இப்போ இது பேஸ் பண்ணா நம்ம some questions are there we are going to seeing there, right? அது என்ன kind of primary carbon க்கு secondary carbon tertiary carbon already we have learned previous classes. தெரியும் தானா primary carbon எத்தனை alkyl group add ஆகும், எத்தனை carbon atom it is binding there? Only one carbon, only one another carbon only it is binding is takes place, that is primary. Secondary carbon mean how many other carbon atoms is attaching is takes place. Two other carbon atoms here attaching is takes place. That is secondary. Tertiary means what happened? Three alkyl group, three other carbon atoms is attaching means that is called tertiary alkyl halide. Like that we are calling there. Right. இப்போ இது பாருங்க for example, see there. இப்போ in the compound is there. Question how they asking me, these questions are not looking like this. Very, very important. Compulsorily maximum question கேக்குறது வாய்ப்பு எது இருக்கும் இந்த லெசன் கேட்டனா maximum this kind of SN1 SN2 reaction based பண்ணதா இருக்கும். If they're not asking these questions means next we will go for named reactions are there, preparation methods are there, named reactions are there, that questions and all. Next physical and physical properties are there. So that questions and all most probably they will asking, right? So let us see that. So the given here two compounds is given. In this following pairs of halogen compound, which would undergo SN2 reaction faster? SN2 reaction, which compounds are very fastly will be undergoing this takes place. Just look at here this compound and all. Right. This compound, see there are a few ones. So one is here, this compound is given like this manner. CH2Cl will be there. This is one compound is given. Another compound, cyclohexane is attaching, one chlorine is presenting there. Question is asking that SN2 mechanism, which compounds are very fastly it will undergoing. So idhula namakku in the mother compound kudutana nama you have to first of all identifying that whether it primary edu, secondary edu, tertiary edu. Nama adu identify pannalam. Right, namakku order theriyum SN2 reactions, what is order, reactivity order enna edula first fast nadakum? SN2 mechanism, which alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing. Ipoda sonna order. Which alkyl halides are very faster?
Primary, sir.
Primary alkyl halides are very faster, then secondary alkyl halide, then tertiary alkyl halide. இப்போ இது பேஸ் பண்ண சொல்லுங்க. இப்போ first this compound, say first compound, second compound. So first compound, which type of alkyl halide? That one primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, tertiary alkyl halide. Ade identify பண்ணுங்க. What is alkyl halide nature? Primary, secondary, tertiary. Halogen attaching carbon. Halogen attaching carbon. That means chlorine. Which carbon is attacking this carbon? Halogen attaching carbon. How many other carbon atoms is attaching this takes place? Either one carbon or two carbon or three carbons. Halogen, chlorine attaching carbon. How many other carbon atoms is attaching there? This one. This is how many carbon atoms is present here?
One.
Only one carbon. One carbon means that is primary, secondary, tertiary. Tertiary alkyl halide, primary alkyl halide. What type of alkyl halide that one?
Primary.
Primary,
alkyl
sir.
halide. Primary alkyl halide. This one. Now coming to see this one down. Second one. Chlorine attaching carbon atom. This one. This carbon atom. How many other carbon atoms is binding is takes place? How many other carbon atoms is binded this carbon atom? How many other carbon atoms is attaching is takes place? Hey, சொல்லுங்கடா. எத்தனை carbon atoms add ஆயிடுச்சு இந்த கார்பனா? ஐயோ கடவுளே. அடே இது ஒரு கார்பன் தானடா. இது ஒரு கார்பன் தானடா. இங்க கார்பன் இருக்கும் தானா? இங்க ஒரு கார்பன் இருக்கும் தானா? எல்லா சைடுமே ஒரு கார்பன் இருக்கும் தானா? இப்போ இந்த கார்பன் ஆட்டம், chlorine atom add ஆயிடுச்சு கார்பன் ஆட்டம். This carbon atom, how many other carbon atoms is attaching is takes place? இந்த சைடு இருக்கும் தானா? ஒரு கார்பன் தானா? இங்க ஒரு கார்பன் ஆட்டம் இருக்கும் தானா? டோட்டல் எத்தனை கார்பன் ஆட்டம்ஸ் ஆட் ஆயிடுச்சு?
2.
How many carbon atoms is adding there?
2, sir.
2 carbon atoms is adding is takes place. So 2 carbons is attaching mean that is primary, secondary, tertiary. நம்ம என்ன சொல்லலாம்?
Secondary.
Second.
Secondary alkyl halide, right? இப்போ உச்சி alkyl halides are very faster for SN2 reaction.
Primary
SN2
alkyl.
reaction order தெரியும் already. What is the order stability reactivity order mean? Primary alkyl halide are very faster then compared to secondary alkyl halide, then compared to tertiary alkyl halide. இப்போ இதுல நமக்கு இது which one will be very fastly undergoing for SN2 reaction? First one or second
Primary.
one?
First, sir.
So first one, that means this compound. So primary alkyl halides are very fastly it will undergoing for SN2 reaction. So simply how to explain like this manner. Right. Primary alkyl halide, which compounds are exhibiting me, SN2 reaction will be very fastly it will undergoing is takes place. That only they given, just see their explanation. Explanation part that only just given, just see there this one. It is primary halide and therefore undergoing SN2 reaction faster. Right. Next one, see there. This compound, see there, once all of you see here. So looking like this, iodine will be there, and another compound looking like this, chlorine will be there. Right. Chlorine and iodine will be there. So which compounds will be very fastly it will undergoing is takes place for SN2 mechanism. SN2 mechanism, which compounds will be very fastly is undergoing these compounds. Here both the carbon atoms also what happen? Here halogen attaching carbon, that means this carbon atom, how many other carbon atoms is attaching there? How many other carbon atoms is attaching there?
One.
Only one carbon. So this compound, what type of alkyl halide we call? Primary, secondary, tertiary?
Primary alkyl halide.
Primary alkyl halide. Very good. Next one, see there. For example, if you are seeing this first one, halogen attaching carbon, that means this carbon atom. Halogen attaching carbon, this one. This carbon atom, how many other carbon atoms is attaching there?
One.
Only one. So this one also what you call primary alkyl halide, Dana? So this one also, both also what I am primary alkyl halide only. But which compounds will be, which alkyl halide will be very fastly it will be undergoing this takes place? Both also primary alkyl halides only. And here what are the nucleophiles will be attacking me? One is chlorine is there, another one iodine will be there. So how we are explaining this kind of questions means SN2 reaction, which one will be very fastly will undergoing means we have to comparing their sizes, atomic size, and all we are going to comparing that. If size is larger means that that compounds are very fastly undergoing for SN2 reaction. So that means if you are moving from fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine like that, if you are moving down like this, atomic size and all what happen? Gradually increasing is takes place. Size and all what happen? Slowly increasing is takes place. So size is increasing means what happen means, so nucleophile and all very fastly it will be releasing is takes place. That means attractive force and all what happen? Lesser attractive force is presenting there. So that's why what happen very fastly that nucleophile will be leaving this takes place. Therefore, in these two compounds, which one will be very fastly it will be releasing that nucleophile means iodine. First one what happen means here iodine and all very fastly it will be undergoing for SN2 reaction compared to here chlorine atom attaching compound. Right? Why it is very fastly is undergoing for SN2 reaction iodine means if you are moving down the group, iodine is having more atomic size will be presenting there. So size increasing means what happen means, so nucleophile and all easily it will be leaving is takes place. So that's why what happen means first compound will be very fastly it will undergoing for SN2 reaction compared to second compound. Right. So this is the explanation for this kind of questions. Next one, see there. This compound, see there. So the given compounds like this, predict the order of reactivity of the following compounds in SN1 and SN2 reactions. SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction, which compounds will be very fastly it will undergoing. So you have to write that stability order. So for example, see this orders and all, there are 4 isomeric structures is given there. The 4 isomeric structures and all, how we are going to explaining SN1 reaction eppadi nadakkuradhu, SN2 reaction eppadi nadakkuradhu. Right. So this one what you are saying mean, just look at here once. This one what you saying, primary alkyl halide, secondary alkyl halide, this one C6H5Br. அது எப்படி எழுதலாமான்னு கேட்டனா, you can write like this. C6H5Br. இது first compound. Second compound, see there, 2 benzene rings will be attaching is takes place on 1 carbon. CH. இது ஒரு benzene ring. And here what will be there means here 1 bromine atom is attaching there. Next, third carbon. Third carbon, see there, C6H5, C6H5, CH, CH3, Br. This is another compound. Next, fourth compound, see there. Fourth compound. So two aromatic rings will be there. So benzene ring, this is one. C, CH3, Br, C6H5 will be there. Right. So let us see that this compound also see there once. Is the first one, is the second compound, is the third compound, is the fourth compound. In these compounds, which one will be undergoing very fastly for SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction? We are going to identify that. First one, see there. How we are going to identifying SN1 and SN2 reaction? Already we know that SN1 reaction, SN2 reaction order. SN1 reaction, tertiary alkyl halide, then secondary alkyl halide, then primary alkyl halide. இப்போ இதுல எது primary, எது secondary, எது tertiary நம்ம ஐடென்டிஃபை பண்ணலாம். Right. Let us see that. So you have to identify that primary எது, secondary எது, tertiary எது. Halogen attaching carbon, this compound, first one see there, how many other carbon atoms is attaching? 2 carbons. So this is what we call secondary alkyl halide. Next, halogen attaching carbon, this carbon, how many other carbon atoms is attaching? 2 other carbon atoms is attaching there. So this is also secondary alkyl halide. Next, this one see there, halogen attaching carbon, this carbon, how many other carbon atoms is attaching? Here also what happened, 2 carbon atoms is there. So this also secondary alkyl halide. Halogen attaching carbon, this halogen attaching carbon, this one, how many other carbon atoms is attaching there? 3 other carbon atoms is attaching. This is tertiary alkyl halide. Ipo SN1 reaction, SN2 reaction, which one will be very fastly it will undergoing this takes place? You have to identify that. So this is secondary, this also secondary, this also secondary, and this one here tertiary is there. Right. நமக்கு already தெரியும் SN1 reaction, what is the order means? Tertiary alkyl halides are very faster when compared to secondary, when compared to primary. So therefore, what is the order we are writing there? Priority order, how we are giving? This is fourth carbon, this is third carbon, this is second carbon, this is first carbon, like that we are given that. Therefore, order how we are writing there? Fourth one will be the more very fastly it will undergoing when compared to fourth one will be very fastly it will undergoing. So next one, which one we have to give the priority? Second priority. Second priority, which one we are giving? Fourth one is first priority given according to SN1 mechanism.
Third
Next,
one.
third one kudukalama illa second one kudukalama? Which one we have to give that a priority order? Which one more
Second
bulky
one.
groups will be presenting there? Bulky groups, which one will be more will be presenting there? That compounds will be
second
very fastly it will undergoing for SN1. Ipo second, third carbon, if you are third compound, if you are seeing means how many bulky groups are there? Only 2 methyl. One methyl is there, one aryl group is there. But here, if you are taken me both also, what happen? Aryl groups are there. Heavier density will be presenting there. So therefore, order how we are writing means second carbon we are giving. Next one, which one we are giving? First carbon you are giving or third compound we are giving there?
Third, sir.
Third one, because here one aryl group is there, one methyl group is there. So bulky groups are more will be there. So you have to give here third one we are giving there, third carbon. Next one, first compound we are giving there. So this is the order for SN1 reaction increasing order. Right. Same other complete oppositely we are going to writing SN2 reaction and ketana. Right. So this is order. Just see there SN1 reaction. SN1 reaction and SN2 reaction like that we are giving their orders. Right. This is SN1 reaction. First one answer and I'll just see there here down is there. Na? Just look at here. So this is the order. First one what you written. This is order. SN1 reaction is nothing but this compound is first one we are giving there. Second one this one. Two bulky groups. Third one methyl and one aryl is there. Last one what happened? One benzene bromide will be presenting. Right. So same like this you are going to supposed to write like this SN1 and SN2 reactions like that. Right. So the given one bromobutane is given. Bromobutane is nothing but bromobutane. Bute is nothing but how many carbons is presenting there? Bromobutane. Bute is nothing but totally how many carbons? 4 carbons is there. Bromo is nothing but one of the bromine will be attaching there. Therefore, CH3, CH2, 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 Br will be presenting there. So what they asking? The 4 isomeric bromobutanes. 4 isomeric bromobutane you have to write. அது எப்படி எழுதலாம்னு கேட்டா bromine என்றால் we are placing different places we are placing there. Different places you are placing mean totally how many 4 isomeric structures you are going to writing there. அது எப்படி எழுதுறதுன்னு கேட்டா one places you are placing there. Right? That only they given. They are represented like the first one answer. This is the isomeric structures of bromobutane. Second one we are seeing now. That only we are seeing this one order. So bulky groups are more will be presenting in that compounds will be very fastly undergoing for SN1 reaction. Right. So tomorrow class. So tomorrow class very important. That also important. What is chiral carbon? What is achiral carbon? What is enantiomers? What is racemic mixture? What is diastereomers? So these points and tomorrow we are going to see there. What is chirality? What is meta-racemization mixtures? So these compounds and tomorrow class we are going to see. SN1, SN2 reaction, react agno. This one we are going to see there. Next one, only few concepts only is there. Haloarenes. Haloarene compounds preparation methods is there. Right? So preparation methods only, small concepts will be there. I think maximum 2-3 periods it will take this lesson. 2-3 periods alone. Right? So I hope everyone is completed record work and all. If anybody not completed means kindly complete your record works very fastly. If anybody not receiving still 1 or 2 members I think not yet received I think. So those who are not receiving that record, get it early and you have to write. So there is no votes after if you are not completing means. So time utilized properly and you have to prepare for these exams. And next month onwards, we are going to planning periodic test portions like that. So first periodic test portions we are given only solutions lesson and solid state. Already we completed school itself only. So solid state and solution first periodic test portions will be starts from next month. That means August onwards, August 3rd onwards something will be there. So that periodic test portion chemistry and all 2 lessons is given. First periodic test, second periodic test 2 lessons, third periodic test 2 lessons like that. So first completed lessons only we are given only for objective test. MCQs only we are going to ask in that.